channel. Today I'm filming a little catch up. It is actually Monday morning. I am behind schedule. I had a very long weekend with family and some change of plans happened. So here I am filming Monday morning before I get my daughter from school. And I wanted to do an unboxing of the last 4 IPSY bags that I have to catch up on. So for May 2025, the theme was Born to Bloom. This month is a reminder to bloom at your own pace. Find beauty in every step of the journey. No perfection required. I actually really love that message because where I'm at right now, I feel like I'm just not where I want to be, especially with YouTube and my channel growth. So that's a good reminder. Let's see what's inside. So first, it's this really cute blue canvas bag with a little tassel-y right here. And the first thing I see is Mango Skin perfume. I absolutely love trying new perfumes, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a smell. I love the packaging, the bright yellow. Oops, miss. Oh, wow. This says it has a burst of blackberries, mango, and black pepper. A ripe fruit that reveals its complex flavors. A cocktail of wild orris, black lotus, and jasmine that leaves behind patchouli, vanilla, and pink sugar. I feel like I really smell the wild orris and the patchouli notes in this. It is fruity, but it's like a deep, sweet, almost peppery type smell. So that's really interesting. I'm gonna see how that wears down. Next, we have the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I have not tried this product. I've seen mixed reviews on it. Either people really love this or they are not a fan. It's in clear, so that's a good one to try. It is the Strictly Curls Flex and Hold Gel from Marc Anthony. I don't typically put gel in my curls. If you watch my previous video where I filmed this makeup look, I do have my natural wave in that video, and I'm curious to try this, so I will let you know what I think. And lastly, in this little bag is the Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. Ooh, that smells good. I feel like I got one of these in another IPSY bag. So actually, overall, this is probably one of the best IPSY bags, glam bags that I've received. I feel like all products are super useful and like very tailored to me, like my scent profile, my hair. Big shout out to everyone that has followed me so far in this journey. I love you all and thank you so much for all the support you've shown me. Please like this video, leave me a comment. If you do already subscribe to IPSY, let me know what you got in your May glam bag because this one I'm really impressed with. And thank you so much for watching.